Okay guys, so welcome back to a new video on Win vs Droid. Oops, black after a long period of time, and I'm back home, and this is something that I found that when I reached home. So let's do the unboxing. This is something special, and I hope it doesn't turn out to be a disaster like the last time I tried. It's something that I imported from eBay US using the global easy buy. I had also earlier imported a HTC Windows phone using the global easy buy option, in which you just have to pay the price of the product and shipping and customs duty at once, and then there is no hassle of customs clearance and such things. So this is it. It says NEC Cloud Communicator LTB. Let's have a look at the box first. Plain box. I am not sure if it's refurbished or something. It's in Japanese, but it says made in China, so maybe this is Chinese, who knows. So it's just a plain box, and this thing is actually a tablet. So I tried twice ordering a gingerbread based smartphone, which was the Dell Streak 5, and both times it turned out to be a flop show because of some reason. So I found this thing, which is a gingerbread based tablet. So and it's actually quite an old model, and let's hope that it turns out to be in working condition. So this is the tablet itself. It looks like a somewhat new product, maybe refurbished. Then here's a CD. I don't know what that is for, and inside you have few things. This is the charger. It has a micro USB charger, thankfully, but it comes with a US pin, so I won't be able to use this one, and some kind of a converter, but still it's US plug, so it won't work here, or maybe a UK one. I'm not sure which one is that. And here I think we have the battery. So it has a removable battery, and then we have a 4 GB SanDisk SD card. It's a class 4 unfortunately, but I think old tablets supported these low class tablet micro SD cards, SD cards. And then we have the booklet. So these are the things inside. Now let me show you something else as well. So this is the Dell Streak 7. This is a honeycomb tablet which I purchased from eBay India. It was already imported into India, and this is the case that I have applied on it, a rubber case. Let's remove it. So this is how it looks. It doesn't have a removable battery. And this is the 7-inch screen, and let's turn it on. So this is how it looks. Android honeycomb. This doesn't work that well, and it can't handle load too much and gets switched off frequently. It costs $40 on this website, but I paid around $100 on eBay Global Easy Buy. So that's around $60 for shipping and customs clearance, which I think is a bit too high. But the advantage is that you don't have any hassles to get it cleared from the customs. Okay, so it says it has dual core 1 GHz processor, 4 GB RAM, it has a 4 GB inbuilt storage, and 4 GB you can add an SD card. 7-inch screen, Android 2.3. It has a camera, but they have not mentioned how much. It has 512 MB RAM. It has 5-point multi-touch screen and 5 megapixel rear camera, and the front camera is around I can't see it anywhere, so maybe that's a VGA camera. This is how it looks in black and white. This is the screen. Here are 3 buttons: home, menu, and back button, I guess. Camera. On this side we have, let's open this flap. Here I think here's the SD card slot, if you can see it. And then we have the micro USB charging port and something, I'm not sure what it is. Here we have the headset, 3.5mm headset jack. On this side we have maybe an infrared port, I don't know. Volume rockers, power button. On this side we have maybe for a lanyard. Here are speakers on both the sides, and this is connection for some dock or something maybe. And this is the back camera. This is white over here, and here you have a lock. Let's insert the battery and the SD card. The battery is a 2920 mAh battery. I'll also insert the SD card and then turn it on and show you guys. So I have inserted the battery in the SD card, so let's hope there is some juice left. And it showed a green light. I'll just skip the setup part, and thankfully it has turned on. This is the screen. And here's the Android gingerbread home screen. Notification bar. What is this? Gallery. This would be the internet. These are the different apps you can see. Probably there won't be the Google Play Store. Okay, so these are the only apps that are available. Let's go to settings, and in settings we'll go to about, we'll go to Android version. I'm not sure if we have the, okay, so we do have, thankfully we do have a Easter egg over here. Don't know what is this. Zombie art by Jack Larson. So what if I was not successful in getting an Android gingerbread smartphone? At least I'm happy that I at least got an Android gingerbread tablet. It's 2.3.4. That's enough for me. Storage. You get 2.7 GB. Applications. Not a lot of applications. I'll try to sideload Play Store if that's possible, or maybe some other app store. Camera. This is the typical Android gingerbread homes cameras setup. The video mode. There should be a front screen thing as well. I'm not sure how to select that. I'll have to see that, how to do that. So that's it as far as the unboxing and hands-on was concerned for the Android gingerbread tablet NEC Cloud Communicator LTB. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm quite happy that this thing looks to be of good quality and is working perfectly fine as of now, and I hope it continues working like this. And this adds to my collection, and now I don't have Android Oreo, Android Oreo Go, and the upcoming Android P. So these are the three things remaining, and I don't have Ubuntu Touch. These are the 4 things that are remaining in my collection. Hopefully soon I'll have those as well in my collection. So that's it as far as this video is concerned, guys. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.